Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500, you need to find where the relay for the AC clutch is located for the AC compressor. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how you can test it and where you can buy cheap relays from as well. So all that will be shared in this video. Now if you have problems with the AC compressor not working, we have a special video that explains the top 5 why AC does not work on Fiat 500, so make sure you check it out on the channel. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have specifically here, we will be demonstrating on a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different Fiat 500, the procedure will be about the same. You have 2 fuse boxes on your Fiat 500. If you want to know where they're located, we have a special video. It's called "Where are the fuses and relays on Fiat 500?" The main fuse box is located right here guys, okay? And if you want to see where to buy, where you can buy cheap relays, okay, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, and if you need to see how to test a relay, I will put a link to a video that will teach you how to do that as well. It's super simple, by the way, check it out. All you have to do, remove that bolt here, get it loose, remove it, pull that fuse box up. Now, good news right here guys, if you pay attention, you will see you have the relay numbers starting with T, fuses are with F. Good thing, you have the relay numbers and fuses listed. Bad news, you don't know what they're for and they're not in order. The relay that we need to check guys will be actually relay T05 for the clutch, AC clutch. And if you come right here, it will be the third relay, 1, 2, 3, from left to right on the very bottom row. That relay will be for the AC clutch. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. If you want to see how to recharge AC compressor, we'll have video on the channel as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.